Gotta run, gotta run. I just put in some fish for my turtles. Sorry it's a bit dirty. Well, there's one. Oh, little one's got. Look at it. Oh, there goes the big one. Oh, he got. Crikey. Still alive. Okay, it's still alive. Hanging from. Oh, he's gonna get another one. Oh, almost. Look at all of them hiding in the corner. Alright. It's fun. Get him. You got it. My nice. You almost got it. Well, little one. There he goes. He's gonna get one. He's stalking him. Get it. He's trying to make himself look like a rock. Oh, he got it. Got it right by the head, dude. Look at the little one. He got another one. He's already devoured it. Crikey. They might be full. Not this big one. Little one. Oh, he's going. Almost. Big one almost just got one. Oh, he missed one. Oh, he got it. Alright. Little one just got one. He almost just got one. So, peace out. And that's it. So, tomorrow... Here, just look at that real quick. That's so cool. He's running around with it in his mouth. Big one almost just got one again. So, I'll make a video and count how many are left overnight. So, peace.